As the automotive world evolves through new technologies, connectivity and data-driven decisions are ever more important. Insurers, brokers, dealers, repairers, and suppliers need a solution to collaborate effectively. Introducing Addenda, the automotive ecosystem for the business of tomorrow. Powered by artificial intelligence, optimizing the entire motor claims and repair journey. At the very moment of an accident, this seamless journey begins. A customer reports a claim, requests a tow truck if immobile, and understands exactly where to take their vehicle for repairs, all through the touch of a button. Over to the workshop and insurance survey, a detailed and accurate estimate is agreed rapidly. Parts are ordered at the very early stage, reducing cycle time and managing costs effectively. Automatic triggers allow the insurer to initiate recovery of costs. Data pushed to an online auction for total loss vehicles, or a frictionless reconciliation with the third-party insurer. Updates of the progress continue to be communicated to the customer. The solution for tomorrow is here today.